Introducing Parabit's SAFR reader mounts. The SAFR counter turnstile mount seamlessly integrates the SAFR reader with security checkpoints and turnstiles, optimizing biometric access control. It offers adjustable left or right mounting options and ensures reliable, long-term performance with its durable design. Built for high-traffic areas, the mount features easy installation, simple serviceability, ADA PRM accessibility, and an elevated view. Available in stainless steel or powder-coated black, with custom colors also offered. Parabit's SAFR mullion wall mount offers a secure and efficient access control solution, designed for seamless compatibility with the SAFR reader. Its flexible positioning on any wall allows for easy integration into entry management systems while enhancing security. The adjustable height ensures ADA compliance, and its sleek, durable design fits effortlessly into modern environments, providing reliable protection for sensitive areas. Enhance access control and surveillance systems with Parabit's SAFR reader mounts, secure, versatile, and designed to seamlessly integrate into any environment.